Is it safe to put baking soda in a toilet tank?
Welcome to today's video where we will discuss whether it is safe to put baking soda in a toilet tank. Let's dive in.
What is baking soda and what are its common uses?
Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a white crystalline powder that has a variety of uses, such as baking, cleaning, and deodorizing. It is a natural and eco-friendly cleaning agent that can be used in various ways around the house, including the bathroom.
Why would you want to put baking soda in a toilet tank?
Some people believe that adding baking soda to the toilet tank can help clean and deodorize the toilet bowl, prevent buildup of hard water stains, and even extend the life of the toilet's components. Now, let's find out if it's safe to use baking soda for these purposes.
Is it safe to put baking soda in a toilet tank?
The simple answer is, yes, it is safe. Baking soda is a natural, non-toxic substance that won't harm your toilet's components or the environment. However, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. 1. Quantity. Avoid using too much baking soda, as it may cause excessive foaming when you flush, which could lead to a mess. A general guideline is to use about 1/2 cup of baking soda for a standard toilet tank. 2. Frequency. Do not use baking soda too frequently, as it could potentially cause the rubber components in your toilet tank to wear out faster. A good rule of thumb is to add baking soda to the tank once a month. 3. Effectiveness. While baking soda can help to clean and deodorize the toilet bowl, it may not be as effective as specialized toilet cleaning products in removing tough stains or disinfecting the bowl. In conclusion, it is safe to put baking soda in a toilet tank. When used in moderation, baking soda can help to clean and deodorize your toilet, while being an eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemicals. Just remember to use the right amount and not to do it too often. Happy cleaning!